Well, that didn't work out. She's stuck. I know it's wet, but I didn't think it was that wet. But she did not like this wet spot right here. She's stuck, and I'm without any other mode of transportation right now. So I gotta see. It's hard on this side, but you just won't. It's just so slippery and then fill the ruts up, and that bush hog won't come up any higher. So I think that's what's hanging it up. It'd probably walk out of it if it wasn't, because I got it all the way up and it's still dragging the ground. But yeah, you see how close the center is to the ground. So that's my morning so far in Louisiana. Everything always so swampy. That's why we mud ride. Old 4 was doing good for a little bit. Almost took out that light pole over there.